Hi, Tim Stigl again with Fluid Handling. Want to go over today the Tekmar 552 touchscreen thermostat that was just introduced. What we've got here is our 552 connected to a Tekmar wiring center controlling our zone valve for that particular zone. In the 552, we have a heating only thermostat. We're not doing any cooling with this, but we do have a bunch of parameters. This thermostat, we can put an outdoor sensor on it and you'd be able to view that on the screen. We can put a floor sensor on it for radiant floor. And we would have parameters in here that we could set up a minimum floor and a maximum floor for protection. You can do some scheduling with this as a setback thermostat. Very simple to go through and use. The menus are very user-friendly. On Tekmar's website at tekmarcontrols.com, they have an interactive working display on their website that you can use your mouse to change all these parameters, and I'll show you a few that we can do now. By pressing this button on the bottom and holding it is going to take you into the programming mode of the thermostat. You want to enter it, you're just going to press enter. Here's where we can set the heat that you want for the thermostat to be. The next item, the room maximum. We have a maximum setting on the thermostat that you'd want. Warm weather shutdown, if you want to turn this heating system off at 70 degrees, you can set this setting and everything goes off. Temporary hold, if you want to get out of your setback schedule for any reason, you can go in and put it on a temporary hold and set that temperature. Now we're back, there's your temperature settings that we're set at. To get back, we're going to back item is going to walk us, you can go forward or back on any of these. The next item, if we press real quickly the center button on the bottom, we're back, we're done with setting temperature. We can go to next. Now we're into the time menu. You can go in here. Here's you're going to set the time up on the thermostat, which will correspond to all of its schedules for sleep and away modes. Next item on here, again, just walking yourself through setting up day and time. And you can turn on daylight savings time with this stat too, so you don't have to worry about that. Getting out of the time menu, we can go into schedules. Here's where you can start to do your setback schedules. Right now we have the schedule turned off. A simple turn of the button, you can do your scheduling from here. Again, a lot of this information is on Tekmar's website. You can pick your events per day. If you want to just do morning and evening, if you want to do 4 events a day, depending on your lifestyle, completely programmable for your needs. When we're back and we're done, we're in the heat mode. You can see on here, we're showing the time. We're showing what mode. We're in. And we're also showing our 2 arrows going opposite directions that we're actually communicating. It's letting the control know what's going on, sending a signal to open our zone valve on a call for heat. And if you added more 552s to this, all of them would be showing the 2 arrows that they are communicating. And if we had the outdoor sensor, all the thermostats would show the outdoor sensor that if it shows up on one, it shows up on all of them. So that's just a quick run through of the 552. Any other questions? Again, please call Fluid Handling. We can assist you with the stat, or go to Tekmar's website and take a look at the interactive and work your way through it. Thanks for visiting, and I hope that helps.